when your people, you know what I'm saying, start businesses, you should support them. This is my package from SUGES. Shout out to Virginia. I know she a good cook. I've been eating her food for years on years. And she got the new dessert business. So I ordered some. It came today. We're gonna do the package opening. Let's see how it goes. That's the baby. She might get some too. Don't worry about that, Virginia. I just did that with my little soy sauce. So the package came okay. We're gonna see what it look like inside. Remember KFC lemon parfait? I'm at the barbershop. About to get fresh. Hey. That's why I got these SUGES joints, man. That's what they remind me of. So, Virginia, if you get this message, I got them. I'm gonna taste them later. I'll do that on video too. Just wanna do the unboxing. But I want a lemon parfait like KFC, man. Peace. Let's go from this angle. New rules, man. Support all your peoples, man. Let me see. Let's go from this angle. Let's see. All right. Okay then, came packaged up in the Peace, Love, Joy box. Matter of fact, let's take this box up out of there. So the packaging is lovely. Let's see what's in this joint. Okay, desserts, baby. Got my SUGES. Got 6 of them joints. She was running a special, so I went ahead and copped. What's this one? You see it? Sweet potato pie. Triple chocolate sundae. That's gonna be fire. Let's see. I'll put the info on where to order at in the description box. Shout out to Virginia doing her thing, man. Taste review coming later. It'll be real.